Underskilled, the risk is real. Without proper training, every lift could be your last safe move. I'll show you how it's done. Don't worry. Be the expert everyone relies on.
Well, how to become that expert? I'm very keen to learn.
If you want to get into lifting operations, this Operate Lorry Crane course in Eversafe Academy is a great start. I've been in the field for years, and trust me, getting the right training makes all the difference. By the end of the course, you'll know your way around lorry crane operations, especially when it comes to spotting risks and keeping things safe. That's the kind of skill that sets you apart on the job.
That sounds really helpful. I definitely need to consider taking that course. Thank you so much, sir.